Hello everyone and welcome! Today we're securing your Android device with Lagos VPN. This is a quick and easy way to boost your online privacy, and I'll guide you through each step of the setup. Let's dive in. First, open the Google Play Store on your Android device. In the search bar, type Lagos VPN and tap the install button to download and install the app. Once the installation is complete, go ahead and open the Lagos VPN app. In the app, look for the menu button. This is often represented by 3 horizontal lines or a similar icon. Tap on the menu button to open the app's menu. From the menu option, select Update Config. This is an important step to ensure you have the latest server list and configurations for optimal performance. You'll likely see an option to tap at time. This usually allows you to extend your VPN session by watching a short advertisement, which supports the app's development. If needed, tap to add time. Now it's time to choose a server. To make it easy, tap Auto Server. This allows the app to automatically select the best server for your location. You can also select your specific country from the list of available options. If you're in Lagos, Nigeria, you might want to specifically choose a Nigerian server. Finally, with your server selected, tap the Start button to initiate the VPN connection. And that's it! You've successfully set up Lagos VPN on your Android device. By following these simple steps, you've taken a significant step toward a more private and secure online experience. Remember to use VPNs responsibly and in accordance with all applicable laws. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe for more tips on staying safe online.